Morning students, here is your next problem, sixth problem. So my dear students, I have one doubt on you. You are not asking any questions to me. My dear students, concentrate on the problem. When you involve the problem, the questions will come. You just sing and copy, it is not a big issue. You not get anything. You just understand and copy. You practice like that. Then the problem will be very clear, my dear students. Ask me the doubts. If you ask the doubts, then I will know that yes, you are good. You are following very good. So my dear students, sixth problem is also very important. Concentrate. Here is a question very clearly given that in figure OACB, figure given that O, A, here C and here B is a quadrant. Quadrant means 90 degree of a circle with center O. Here center O and radius given that 3.5 centimeter and OD given that 2 centimeter. Find area of the shaded region. Okay, my dear students, this is the question asking you, and I know very clearly that I already said you first what you have to do. Yes, very good. You have to write what he given. So my dear students, he given that OACB is a quadrant of a circle. In the question only given that OACB is a quadrant of a circle, and radius also he only given that radius 3.5 and OD he only given that OD is 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So my dear student, the first step was completed. If you write this step, you will get 1 mark. Very easy. Given రాస్తే 1 మార్క్ మనకు వచ్చేసినట్టే. విద్యార్థులకు అర్థం కాదు. మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో ఉన్న అడ్వాంటేజే అది. దట్ ఈస్ ద అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. In all subjects, they will see the final answer. They will see the each and every paragraph. They will consider all the paragraph. They will consider all the statements. But whereas you come to the mathematics, they consider only steps. Step-wise marks they will give you, my dear students. So you attract step-wise marks. So if you write the given that, you will get 1 mark. If you draw the diagram, you will get 1 mark. See, the diagram should be drawing the box, clear, neat box. And shaded, you know, already explained you. You will write like this, right? I have no time, just I'm giving you example. You draw the one clear box and draw picture and shade the thing, which is very important, and write the values clearly. When you draw the diagram as it is, you will get 1 mark. చాలా ఈజీ కదా. గివెన్ దట్ రాస్తే 1 మార్క్ వచ్చింది, డయాగ్రామ్ రాస్తే 1 మార్క్ వస్తుంది. సో హెడ్కి ఒక మార్క్ ఉంటుంది, ఫూటర్కి ఒక మార్క్ ఉంటుంది, అండ్ మధ్యలో బాడీకి ఒక మార్క్ ఇస్తారు. కాబట్టి మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ స్టెప్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ ద మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. యా, కమ్ టు ద టాపిక్. సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ద రేడియస్ గివెన్ దట్ రాసేస్తాం కదా మనము. నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్, లెట్ us ఫైండ్ వాట్ వీఆర్ ఫైండింగ్. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ BOD. I am finding this only triangle here. It is the area of the triangle we have to find here, and after find area of the sector. Okay, my dear students, area of the sector also you have to find. What we need area of the ఇది ఒక్కటి మాత్రం మనకు కావాలి. ఇది ఒక్కటి కావాలంటే ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ కనుక్కోవాలి. సో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ BOD ఈజ్ హాఫ్ ఇంటూ OB ఇంటూ OD. సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ విధంగా పెట్టు. మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, OB, what is the OB value? 3.5. and OD is 2. That means what I am telling that breadth and height. B into H, half into B into H. So 2 cancel, the remaining part is 3.5 centimeter square we got. So my dear students, next part, area of the sector. Area of the sector, you know, x by 360 into pi r square. So my dear students, x by 360 into pi r square, that means x is the 90 degree, because he is asking the quadrant here. He asking is the quadrant. Quadrant means it is a 90 degree. So 90 degree by 360 into pi is 22/7 into r is 3.5 into 3.5. So my dear students, you just remember 90 by 360 into 22/7. Pi means 20 r. Pi means we got pi. R means 3.5 into 3.5. Here my dear 0 cancel. 9 1s are 9 4s are 2 2s are 2 11s are. So my dear students, write down 11 in numerator is there, 7 2s are 14 into 3.5. You forget 3.5, multiply just 35 into 35. So my dear students, 35 jar, you know, 12 25, 5 5 jar 25, 5 2, 5 3 jar 15 plus 2 17 into 3 5 are 15 1 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10. So 5 7 plus 5 12 1 1 plus 1 2 1. We have one decimal here, one decimal, two places are there. After 2 digits we have decimal is there, so you just move 2 digits, that means 12.25. 12.25. Okay my dear students, now multiply 11 into 12.25. Now multiply 11 into 12.25. Remove decimal and multiply. You will get 134.75. Division by denominator is 14. When you do division, you will get 9.625. Okay my dear students, see, remove the decimal, division with 14, you will get the answer. In the calculation, do you have any doubts? You ask me. And my dear students, why the problem? What are you asking? That area of the shaded region, that is the question we need. Area of the shaded region kanukovali manam. Area of the shaded region ఏ విధంగా వస్తుందంటే area of the sector minus area of triangle BOD. Okay my dear students, so area of the sector మనకి ఇందాక వచ్చింది కదా, 9.625 minus 3.5. 9.625 minus 3.5 is equal to 6.125 centimeter square. Therefore area of the shaded region is equal to 6.125 centimeters square. Thank you.